Hi guys, welcome back. As you can see, we're on the road and we are continuing our journey. We're leaving Pennsylvania and heading east. Last time we visited our friends and we visited Gettysburg and had a great time. Now we're going to family in Illinois. We're going to spend the night at a Love's travel stop in Ohio and carry on.
LaLa Go, the world says hello.
Hey, Larry and Linda here. LaLa Go.
Memories flow from the mountains high to the oceans low. Adventures alive with every LaLa Go.
So right now, we're coming down through the mountains and we're heading towards Ohio. So the roads we've been on in Pennsylvania have not been the greatest, but beautiful scenery, a lot of green, just very, very nice to look at. So we had done some sightseeing with our friends. We went to Gettysburg and neither one of us had ever been there before. I've been to Pennsylvania quite a few times, but I'd never been to Gettysburg. Even if you're not a history buff, it's fantastic to see. And it was just really interesting and very touching. So we've been in the van for a full 2 weeks, and we just left our friend's house in Pennsylvania. We're heading west, and we're going to spend the night in Ohio. At least that's the plan.
Indiana stretches flat and straight. The cornfields hum with their quiet way. Illinois wears its skyline bold, but the sunsets there burn red and gold. Kentucky's hills sing low and sweet, a rhythm found in every beat. Highway whispers call my name, each mile a story, never the same. From the hills to the plains, the riverside bends. On this road, the journey never ends. Tennessee hums with the fiddle's cry. Mountains touch the southern sky. Georgia greets with its peach tree glow. Where I'm headed, I don't yet know.
We are in like dead stop traffic. Let him come over. You gonna come over? Maybe he's trying to miss something over there on the road. No, he's coming on.
Each mile a story, never the same. From the hills to the plains, the riverside bends. On this road, the journey never ends. The journey never ends.
Turn left onto Ohio 41 South, State Route 41 South. In a quarter mile, turn right onto Ridge Road.
Maybe it's the other end.
Hey, here we are at Love's. At the gas pump now because the site that we reserved has an RV sitting in it. So Linda went in to check on that. Okay, so we got our site. They moved us to a different site, and we just went in and got some Wendy's. And we're heading back to take the puppies out and eat. And then we may go back in and see how the showers work.
Yeah,
here.
I think we're going to do that.
So out here with the dogs, and they've got doggy bags, and you can see it at the site. There's a pedestal for electricity. You got 30 amp, 50 amp. You got water, and then they also have a dump station that we'll use in the morning to empty our tank. Well, it is the morning after our love stop, and we just had showers this morning. For the most part, it wasn't bad. I mean, the site is pretty decent, and you've got water, electricity, and you've got a dump station. Got the store right there with a Wendy's and a Subway in there. And then, Love's has a lot of snacky items anyway. We've got some breakfast stuff.
I didn't cook this morning. We just went in and purchased.
Yeah. And
the shower with the discount cost us $10.
Right.
We shared a shower.
From what I've seen, the prices for showers can vary at different Loves. Full price here was $18. And you can earn points with your Love's card, which I don't use that enough.
Yeah, he needs to start using it when we get diesel.
Yeah, well, I do use it when we get diesel. And you can earn shower point. Of course, truckers are the ones that it's made for, and they're the ones that are going to benefit from the shower program more than us. But it's a decent option. It's not as cheap as Cracker Barrel, because Cracker Barrel is free. But we got hookups. Yeah, we did. Yeah, we got hookups. And so what was it? Was it $40 here?
Yeah. Well, with our Good Sam's discount, it was $49.
Oh, okay. So it's a little pricey.
I think we got 5% off or something like that. $5 off with them.
Yeah, so it's 10%.
Yeah, maybe 10%. It's not my favorite place to stay, but we got to hook up and charge. So we get to fill up, we get to dump. The dump is free if you get the RV, so we can dump in the morning. Now,
Or it was for us.
Yeah, here anyway. They gave it to us for nothing.
And I'm guessing the site's price may vary too by where the Love's is. I don't know.
And the sites are pretty decent. I mean, they're all concrete pad. These are new in this one. But there's a lot of people. Oh, people, please be kind and be gracious. There's a lot of people that bring their dogs in and they don't clean up after themselves, we found.
Yeah, they've got They've got doggy bags all over the place, but it's a minefield out there.
And we're always courteous. We always clean up after our dogs.
Yeah. So we're gonna get on the road and keep heading west, and we're gonna go through Indiana and then Illinois.
Yep.
And we'll check in on the way.
Let's talk a little bit about our thoughts. So last week, we were staying with our friends. They were so lovely. They put us up. They had a gravel pad that they put in the back just for us. And they let us use their electric and their water. It was so easy. And it was just a pleasant stay. As I said, they were just lovely. We appreciate what they did for us. We had a great visit. So we are on our way to Possum Creek Campground in Possum Creek Recreation Area, and it is in the Corps of Engineers umbrella, I think, in Illinois.
It's at Lake Shelbyville, around Lake Shelbyville.
Right. And we're going to spend a couple nights there. So we'll give you a little quick tour of the place. There's a lake. There's I think there's a boat dock. There's fishing. I think there's swimming. We'll see. They've got a playground. So we'll see what it's like. Larry's driving. We are only 11 miles now from there. And it's an absolutely gorgeous day outside. We're on some little 2-lane highways heading there now. I'm kind of excited to get there. And we've got some kids that are going to come either tonight or tomorrow and spend the day with us. Our grandkids.
Yeah, so we're visiting family. And so this trip has been a lot of visiting family and friends that and we don't feel right getting everybody on video, and some of them don't want to be on video. So we're trying to video around our friends and family, just so that we don't make anybody uncomfortable, and at the same time share some of our experiences with you guys.
So we'll give you some video and show you what the campground's like, and it is just absolutely beautiful here, just gorgeous. I forgot how pretty the plains of Illinois are. It's real pretty. I'll give you some more video on the way there. So these are mildly rolling hills in the plains of Illinois. It really is pretty. This is the prettiest time of the year, in my opinion. The corn is growing rapidly. You can see it off to the side there. They've had some really warm weather. It was actually hot, I guess. But today's just beautiful. We spent the day with some of the kids, playing in the backyard, having like a picnic. We saw a new grandbaby. Just a nice time. Possum Creek Recreation Area. We're going into it right now. Now we are headed to Site 8.
In 1,000 feet, turn left.
And according to the instructions that they have on the website, you do not check in. You just go to your site and then they come to you. We're pre-registered for 2 nights.
Take the next left, then you'll arrive at your destination.
Next left. I'm thinking yes. You have arrived. We do. We already have it. Romy, stop crying. 0 to 56. This is 1, this is 2.
I don't know.
3. This looks like it. 4. Romy. 5. Go slow. 6, 7, and 8. Ours is right down here. This is ours. This is site 18 right here. It's a very short one. There's one down here all by itself. Looks like a tent site. What? Yeah, this is site 12. It looks like a tent site. It's amazing. There it is right there. If you had a little short van, you could park it here and then use that for the picnic area. Wow. Okay, so these tent sites are pretty fantastic down here. Look at these. It overlooks the water down there. Look at that. How pretty are these sites? There's another one over there. There's another one over there. But they overlook the water. There's little paths that go down to the water from here. You can come down here and fish. Camping at the table only. That's site 17, site 16, site 15. There's a whole bunch of them. Site 14, 13. And then we get back into the RV and camper sites over here. These sites don't have septic, but they do have, I don't know if all of them have water. This one has electric. Is there water? Doesn't look like it. Single little toilets. There's water in a water fountain right up here. That's a pretty sight. You can see the lake on this one. And that does have water. Looks like there's another tent site down here. A couple. Yep. Yeah, more tent sites down here. Look at those. Okay, so the tent sites have these. There's a bunny. The tent sites have these beautiful sites. Wow, they're so pretty. Laura looks thrilled.
Hey guys, about 6:30 at our campsite at Possum Creek. I bought some firewood. We don't really have any fire starters, so I picked up some scraps, little twigs and stuff. So we do have a lighter. We'll see if we can get it started kind of the old-fashioned way. Okay, so that I think is the first fire that we've built together as a couple.
Yep.
And neither one of us thought the other would be able to do it.
I grew up building fire.
Okay, Linda didn't think I would be able to do it. So, well, we're hoping it'll stick around, and the kids are supposed to come out and visit a little bit, so we'll see what happens. Here we are, sitting outside. Linda had made us some breakfast. We're enjoying nature and the scenes around the campground, talking about what we've done on our trip so far, what our plans are for the future. One of the things that we're going to do today is we're going to go do some laundry. Hey, we're in Shelbyville, Illinois, and we stopped at the laundromat to do some of our laundry. And see that we're we got about 3 or 4 more days in this area, then we'll be heading back to Florida.
We had such a good trip in Illinois. We wanted to show you a little sneak peek of the baby and her proud parents. So this is our new grandbaby.